In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save tab groups in Microsoft Edge. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple tabs at once and wished you could save them for later without losing your place, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make your browsing experience smoother and more organized. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon in your taskbar or searching for it through your Start menu. Once Edge is open, you'll want to begin by opening all the tabs you wish to save into a group. Simply navigate to your favorite websites or resources as you usually would. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. There you'll notice the favorites icon, which looks like a star with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and give that a click. This icon opens the favorites menu, which is where you'll be organizing your tab groups. In the drop-down favorites menu, look for the option that says Add Folder. Click on this option to create a new folder where you will house your tab group. When prompted, choose a name for your folder that's both memorable and descriptive of the contents. This will make it easier to find later on. Now, with your new folder in place, it's time to add each of your open tabs to this folder. Navigate through each tab, clicking the star icon on the address bar to add each site to your favorites. Make sure to select the folder you just created when saving each tab to keep them organized within the same group. After you've added all the desired tabs to your favorites and into your new folder, you'll want to ensure they're ready to be accessed as a group later. To do this, head back to the favorites icon which you clicked earlier. Within this menu, locate the folder you created, and this time we'll use a nifty trick to open all the tabs within it. Simply right click on your folder and select Open All from the context menu. This action will simultaneously load all the websites you saved, bringing back the exact set of tabs you organized. It's an efficient way to manage your browser space and regain access to multiple tabs without hassle, and there you have it, your saved tab should now open, taking you to every page you've added to the group. This method not only saves time but also helps keep your online research or work organized. Whether you're planning your next big project, researching for school, or just making sure you don't lose track of interesting sites, saving your tab groups in Microsoft Edge is an invaluable skill. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.